Hello, this is Stella from Vigorun Tech. It is my pleasure to introduce our lawn mower components and operation. This is gasoline engine. At present, there are two kinds of gasoline engines, with Euro 5 emission standards and international EPA certification. This is frame, which is 17% more than similar products. It ensures the stability of the fuselage, stable operation, and smoother mowing operations. This is remote control. 200 meters distance avoids putting workers in an unsafe mowing environment, away from snakes, spiders, insects, etc. This is walking motor. 24 voltage, 350 watt. It has strong power, fast walking speed, and strong climbing ability. This is control panel. Each function button has a clear mark for easy identification by users. And the operation is very simple and easy to use. These are hardware parts. Adopt flange bolts, nuts. Effectively guarantee the chassis strength, performance stability, and service life. First, we start the mower. It lights up. Press the black button to start the remote control. It's forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. Cruise control. It's to control high and low the speed. High, low, start the engine. Stop it. Turn off the remote control. As a manufacturer, products have been extensively tested. If you have any questions, please contact us. Bye-bye.